After eating this plant for a week, I went to the doctor and my results were amazing. Going plant-based is one of the best things you can do for your health and the wellness of animals everywhere, but you probably already knew that, right? You may already know that eating a plant-based diet is healthy, and that it's better for the environment. Do you know some direct, specific benefits you may experience within the first week of eating a plant-based diet? They may leave you intrigued to give it a try. 1. Better digestion. Let's start with the obvious. Your digestion is going to rock on a vegan diet, no kidding. Plant-based foods are basically fiber, water, healthy fats, and plant-based protein. There's nothing in those foods, unless you choose highly processed versions, that cause your digestion to slow down or take a standstill. Just keep in mind that the added intake of fiber should be embraced with caution. Take it slow and chew your food very well, which also enhances the digestion process. For those who consume a lot of milk, cheese, and meat, this is one of the best changes you can make for healing chronic constipation, gas, bloating, stomach inflammation, and heartburn. 2. Better blood sugar. Dr. Neil Barnard is a huge advocate of a low-fat, vegan diet for healing and managing diabetes. Mainly because a plant-based diet slows down blood sugar, yet still allows insulin to do its job within the cells. Most people find they don't suffer low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, or any other symptoms of diabetes within a week of a plant-based diet. Learn how to reap the benefits of a plant-based diet for your blood sugar and learn more about managing diabetes at the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine. 3. More energy. Animal foods are extremely hard to digest. When the digestive system becomes overwhelmed, it sucks all the energy right out of you. Eating a plant-based diet is a great way to enhance your energy since digestion is naturally easier and certain plant-based foods contain energizing properties. Just be aware of portion size since eating extremely large meals can also be taxing on your system. Check out our recipes section, which is filled with yummy options to choose from.